Good evening, guys. Today is Friday, February 21st, and it's again time to talk about our portfolio. Today, market sharply declined, almost 100 points right now, and my portfolio down almost 2%, but it's due to a huge IV spike. It's jumped today from approximately 15.2 to 18, so it's almost 3 points up. Uh, let's see and assess our portfolio and our positions, which probably need to be adjusted. Not today, maybe next week. We will see right now. This is how our total ES futures position look like. Nothing to worry about yet. Uh, let's see how separate positions look like. First, we're gonna start with Balalaika. Uh, this is how it look like. Our closest short put still at 8.6 delta and 28 days till expiration, so nothing to worry about. Let's see the another short put. Where's delta is? Just a second. Yeah, another short puts at 42 days till expiration, 560 strike. Delta is 10.5. Still long time till need to be worried and adjusted. To remind you that we do it when our delta hit 20. So nothing worry about Balalaika. Let's see our income and CDHs all together. This is how all three income trades and three CDHs look like right now. It declined today, probably a couple of thousand, maybe a little bit less. But again, it's because volatility expansion. We will see what's gonna happen next. Let's see where's our short puts. 38. DT, it's the closest one at delta 7.3. Another one 42 DT at delta also 7.3. Sorry, did I? Sorry, I didn't. I opened the same one. So second one 42 DTE at delta 10.5, and the third one 49 DTE at delta 11.6. So if you remember, we should assess these positions with our remaining vertical hedges from our A, B, and C ladder. Let's see how it look like all together. Yeah. Total delta is about 20, which is 200 in weighted to SPY, and theta more than 200. So we'll see what's gonna happen next. I hope it won't collapse, but if it will, we will do what we always do. We roll down and out maybe our naked puts and close some hedges to pay for that. Next we have a couple of violins. V8, which we just adjusted a couple of days ago. It is in good profit even after decline. Our short put at 28 days till expiration, delta right now 6.4. V9, it's quite new position. It's not new already, it's 2 weeks old. So right now we're approaching zero PNL, little bit positive after today's decline. And our short put at 42 DTE at delta 9.2. So I think it's pretty safe also. We don't need to worry. But again, if it's reach delta 20, we will roll it down and compensate that cost by rolling down our longs of our hedge. Now, interesting thing. Oh, one more. We have our ladder D, which we just adjusted also last week. This is how it's look like after decline. Still good condition. Our naked put is 63 DTE after rolling. Oops, sorry. Yeah. Yes, we just roll it on top of the market to delta 10. Right now, after decline and increasing volatility, delta is 13.4. So still, I think it will survive even another 100 points down before we need to take care about it. And we have lots of hedges, so I don't think it will cost us much. So after the roll, we will just close some verticals to pay for that. And now let's see how our Kazoo strategy working. So let's first check our big Kazoo. It's ratio 2 longs 3 shorts. This is Kazoo 1. Just 19 days till expiration. Next week we're gonna close it. If you remember our rule, we don't hold our position when naked puts is less than 15 days till expiration. So next week we're gonna close it. Right now it shows pretty good profit, about $700, and delta is, it was a little bit negative, but after today's move it's 3.7, so it's in good shape. Let's see how Kazoo 2 look like. It's a 15 days longer of short naked puts. Naked puts right now 35 DTE, and it is at delta 9.4, still in profit. I just remind that all that positions were opened just 11 days ago. So right now delta is just +1, so it's quite safe. And Kazoo 3, short puts at 49 DTE, delta also around 9.2, and also in profit about $230, and delta about around 2. So this is how they look like. Let's check all of them together to see. Altogether delta about 10, profit more than $1,000 in 11 days, which is not bad. And To remind you that as soon as we close our Kazoo 1, next week we open the new one at the same time. New one will be at Delta at 60 DT. Shorts and longs will be approximately 130. We will see which one will be available at that time. Let's see how our Kazoos, small Kazoo look like. Small is for account size about 30,000 for tested trade. Also Kazoo 1, it's same 19 days till expiration, gonna be closed next week. Show profit, delta around 2. I don't think we're gonna have problem here, and even it will more decline. Theta working in our favor, and I expecting that to make even more during next week. Kazoo small 2 is 35 days till expiration, also in profit, and delta 1.4. This is how it look like. And small Kazoo 3 longer term is 49 days till expiration, also in profit, and delta around 1. So how you can see that it's pretty easy to execute and easy to monitor and pretty profitable strategy. So we will continue to use it. And it's that strategy is very good for beginners because you don't need to worry about adjusting your position, improving it. We will just open and close it according to our rules. It's a mechanical strategy. This is how 3 of them look like. Total profit about 400. Just to remind, it's for account 30,000, so it's in 11 days, it's more than 1% profit from account size, which is very good even after today's big decline and volatility expansion. What else do we have? We have our MES strategy. We have 3 expirations, one of them expiring today. Nothing to worry. We reach our tail profit completely. It's about $377. Let's close it, by the way. Yes, MES 4, it's a second expiration, which is right now at 28 days till expiration. Also, we're close to our maximum, not maximum, tail profit. And we continue to hold it to help us to protect our latest expiration. Because if market continue go down, because it's just 28 days, probably profit will increase of this this expiration to help to offset possible loss of longest DTE tranche. This one. It's still show after today's decline small loss. If you remember a couple of days ago, we add here the second 1-to-3 ratio spread, and what we have here, our closest shorts at delta 12.7 and another one at delta 10. So it's quite safe, and if market continue to decline and our closest short put will be around 20, we will do 2 to 3 roll down to expand that tent and make it safer. And because it's a wheel strategy, you just need to be prepared someday to be assigned with a micro futures contract, which is fine. We're ready for that. I just would like to mention that for this strategy, because we have too many shorts, I am not planning in any case to be assigned with all of them. What I gonna do, I'm ready to be assigned with one or two max, and all others will be rolled down and compensate with longs to be out of risk. So don't worry, we won't be assigned with big amount of futures here. We just probably gonna have one or two, and even this case will be very low probability because we have our short puts too far from the market. Also, we have our oil position just opened today. It's close around zero, and previous tranche we closed today also with full tail profit, about $400 we made, and open the new one. It's good time because oil today decline, and it's quite safe. It's need to go below 60 to give us big trouble, which I don't expect. And second, it's the same as our mass wheel strategy. We will roll it down if our shorts will be at delta 20, so to make that tent much wider and less risky. Also, the last one, we have TLT position, which is in good profit. You see that? So we have 28 days till expiration. It's one tranche and another one at 55 and 84. So after TLT stabilize and bounce up, our position is in good profit, and we will continue to hold it because it's short naked puts and calls, and theta working in our favor. We will continue to make some money here and continue to do the same thing, to roll and open new straddles at different strikes to make that tent safe and big and make more money. That's it for today, guys. I didn't see much questions. Have a good weekend and have a good night. I hope that this decline won't last long. Reason for that, you know, that it's tariffs again and some geopolitical tensions. But I think that next week it's cooled down a little, at least verbally, and market will stabilize. Thank you very much, guys. Bye bye.